Hi guys, welcome back to another videos from the IELTS workshop. My name is Đình Tân and I'm a teacher here at the IELTS workshop. Ngày hôm nay thì mình cùng các bạn sẽ đi trả lời những câu hỏi phần IELTS Speaking Part 1, chủ đề Fishing. Our first question is fishing popular in your country? Yes, in Vietnam, fishing is a popular recreational activity enjoyed by many. It's not only a means of relaxation, but also a way to connect with nature and unwind from the stresses of daily life. With abundant lakes, rivers, and coastlines, both seasoned anglers and beginners have ample opportunities to indulge in their passion for fishing, casting their lines into the rich waters and reeling in the rewards of their patience. Do you like eating fish? Personally, I'm not particularly fond of eating fish, even though I fully recognize its health benefits, given its richness in protein and essential nutrients. The pungent odor associated with fish can be quite off-putting for me. That, coupled with the meticulous task of deboning during meal preparation, greatly diminishes my love for fish dishes. At the moment, I think I just stick to beef and pork. Have you ever been to a place where there are a lot of fish around you? Yes, I've had the opportunity to visit places where fish abound. One memorable experience was when I visited a coastal village known for its thriving fishing community. The sight of countless boats bobbing in the harbor and the hustle and bustle of fishermen unloading their catches left a lasting impression on me. Moreover, strolling through the local fish market offered a fascinating glimpse into the diversity of marine life in the region. Have you seen any movies with lots of fish? Oh, absolutely. One movie that comes to mind is Finding Nemo, a classic animated film featuring a colorful array of fish characters. The story follows the adventures of a clownfish named Nemo, who gets separated from his father and ends up in a dentist fish tank. Along the way, we meet all sorts of fascinating underwater creatures, from sea turtles to sharks. It's a heartwarming and entertaining movie about family and friendship that's been a perennial favorite of mine since I first watched it as a kid. Ok, vậy là chúng mình đã cùng nhau giải quyết một vài câu hỏi trong phần Speaking Part 1 chủ đề Fishing. Nếu các bạn có bất kỳ câu hỏi hay thắc mắc gì thì chúng mình có thể để lại bình luận ở phía dưới video. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại các bạn trong các video sau.